Welcome back to the CryptoBot channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and right now Ethereum is actually holding up quite well compared to Bitcoin, but Ethereum against the US dollar is at a critical support level. So this video will be an important one to watch all the way to the end. First, giving you a quick update on the 12-hour Ethereum to US dollar chart. And obviously, over the past one day, the price of Ethereum has seen a perfect rejection from this previous 38.2% Fibonacci level, which was coming in at around 3,000, just underneath 3,000. But at the time of recording this video, the price of Ethereum is still above the golden pocket, which is very important. And this golden pocket is coming into play at around 2,600. So that is the main price level that I am targeting right now. But what's really interesting is looking at the 12-hour Ethereum price oscillators, we're still seeing mixed signals. We're seeing a lot of neutral action in the RSI and in the MACD. But heading over to the daily Ethereum chart, and you can see the daily Ethereum MACD has stayed in the red this entire time, even though we've gotten really close to a bullish cross over the past one day. We didn't actually see that bullish cross at all. And looking in the daily parabolic stop and reverse indicator for Ethereum, we've essentially stayed red this entire time, except for the one false signal that we saw yesterday, because obviously the price of Ethereum got a rejection from that 3K level of resistance that I was warning about. But other than that, cluster of volume coming in at $3,000, which is also acting as resistance. Once again, one of our biggest clusters of volume in this VPVR indicator is coming in at around 2,600, which is acting as support, technically speaking. And obviously, this comes in confluence with the golden pocket that I just spoke about, which makes 2,600 even more important. And in case 2.6K couldn't get any more important than that, over here on the 3-day Ethereum chart, that is also where this massive ascending line of support is currently coming into play, once again at around 2.6K. So basically, if the price of Ethereum confirms a break below 2.6K, and on the 3-day chart, we're going to need to see a 3-day candle close below 2,600. And if we see that happen, that technically means this larger bullish price structure is finally beginning to flip bearish on the larger time frames, the 3-day charts, for example. Because technically speaking, as of right now, while the price of Ethereum has not seen a 3-day candle close below 2.6K just yet, at least, technically the price of Ethereum is still in this multi-year uptrend unless we see a confirmed break below this ascending line of support once again. And now taking a look at the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart, which is right now actually looking bullish. That is right, Ethereum at the moment is holding up better than Bitcoin. And obviously this was expected if you watched any of my last 2 Ethereum update videos. From the moment we saw a breakout in the daily RSI right here, that was when I started to flip a little bit more bullish again on Ethereum versus Bitcoin after that bearish divergence that we saw play out over the last couple weeks or so. And obviously, if you watched my last Ethereum update video that I posted yesterday on the channel, I mentioned in that video that I just moved a bit of my Bitcoin into Ethereum in anticipation of Ethereum performing better than Bitcoin, at least in the shorter term, which obviously has played out. And for some reason, I noticed I got a few comments on that video saying that I lost a bunch of money because I bought Ethereum with US dollars or something like that. But obviously, those people didn't even watch the video, because in the video, I literally said that I bought Ethereum with Bitcoin. So I moved some Bitcoin into Ethereum. And when you're doing a trade like that, you need to look at the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart, not the Ethereum versus the US dollar chart. So obviously, because Ethereum has gone up against Bitcoin, that was actually a profitable move. So for any of the beginners out there, it is important to distinguish between the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart and the Ethereum to US dollar chart, because obviously they are not the same chart. And the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart goes hand in hand with the Bitcoin dominance chart, which is still in its rejection from that golden pocket, which I've been talking about over the past few days. And so because of this, because the Bitcoin dominance is going down, a lot of the top altcoins are actually doing a little bit better than what Bitcoin is doing today. For example, Bitcoin right now is down around 9% on the day, while a lot of the other top altcoins are only down around 7 to 8%. So not as bad as Bitcoin. And that's just basically what this means. It means altcoins are performing a little bit better than Bitcoin. And obviously they're still going down against the US dollar, but at least in the example of Ethereum, it is not going down as much against the US dollar compared to what Bitcoin is going down against the US dollar, if that makes sense. But whether or not prices are going up, down, or sideways, you can actually continue to make money in crypto at all times. And if you want to know how to do that, check out these 2 videos popping up right here on your screen, because in both of these videos, I reveal how I make more money in crypto even when prices are going up, down, or sideways. But anyway, that is everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.